But let's start with the story that's been breaking at the top, because there is more trouble and embarrassment for the Uddhav Thackeray government in Maharashtra. This after a Navy veteran, a 62-year-old, allegedly targeted by Shiv Sena goons. Reports say that the Navy veteran was beaten up for forwarding a joke on Uddhav Thackeray. This has happened in the Kandivali area, a suburb of Mumbai. That's the individual there who was beaten up allegedly for forwarding a joke on Uddhav Thackeray. That's the story that is coming in at the moment. The Sena's Dadagiri, as we are calling it, has once again come to the fore in this particular case. Listen in.
मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि कौन बुला रहा है, लेकिन नंबर से मैं नंबर दे दिया हूं मैं, और वो बुला रहे थे कि हमको बात करने का है, वो कुछ वायरल मैसेज के लिए। मैं बोला कि मैं काम कर रहा हूं, मैं बाद में आऊँगा, कोई बात है तो बतला दीजिए। तो फिर 2-4 बार कॉल आया मेरे को, फिर दूसरा दफ़े एक और कॉल आया, तो उस पर हमको धमकी दिया गया कि ऐसा करते हो घर पर आकर के मारेंगे। क्या मैसेज आपने?
So there you have it. Here is an individual who is claiming, and those are images coming off CCTV, where a group of people allegedly from the Shiv Sena take on this man who allegedly only crime was to forward a joke on Uddhav Thackeray. So that is what is apparently the reason why this man was beaten up. Unacceptable gundagardi is the only way one can describe this. Sena workers, alleged Sena workers, targeting a veteran. Lots of reactions are coming into that story. Divyesh Singh is joining me at the moment. Divyesh, this incident is coming in the Kandivali suburbs. It comes against the backdrop of what happened when the BMC demolished Kangana Ranaut's residence. Now you've got a situation where an individual, an innocent individual, only forwards a WhatsApp message and gets beaten up. What is the police saying? Have they filed an FIR in this case? And what does the FIR say? Who are these people responsible for beating up this poor man?
Rajiv, yes, an FIR has been registered at the Samta Nagar police station in Mumbai. This FIR is against one Kamlesh Kadam and 7 to 8 other people. It also says
Kadam. Who is Kamlesh Kadam?
Kamlesh Kadam is said to be a Shakha worker of Shiv Sena. He is from the local Shiv Sena Shakha in the Kandivali area. And he, along with 7 to 8 others, had called this man. He was asked to come downstairs. Madan Sharma, who's a Navy veteran, he's a retired Navy personnel, naval officer, and he was called downstairs. And after that, he was beaten up by these 7 to 8 people, according to his complaint. And Mumbai police, we spoke to the additional commissioner of North Region, and he has said that strict action is going to be taken. All the involved persons are being searched for, and they will be arrested. Case has already been filed against them. Meanwhile, Madan Sharma has recorded his statement with the police, and an FIR has been registered. Police has launched a manhunt to nab all the accused who have been named. Kamlesh is being looked. They are looking for Kamlesh. Meanwhile, 7 to 8 other unidentified members, as mentioned in the FIR, police has launched the manhunt.
Any reaction at all from the Shiv Sena so far? Already on the back foot on the Kangana Ranaut incident. Any reaction from the Shiv Sena? If this is someone associated with the Shiv Sena Shakha, is the Shiv Sena in any position to distance itself from what has happened? This unacceptable behavior, this unacceptable gundagardi which is taking place, which brings back some of the worst memories of the Sena of the past. Is any reaction coming in from the Sena as yet?
Rajiv, the Shiv Sena top brass is yet to react on this incident. Meanwhile, as mentioned in the FIR by the complainant, he has mentioned that these are local Shiv Sena Shakha workers who had summoned Madan Sharma and then assaulted him. But an official reaction from the top brass of Shiv Sena is yet to come. Rajiv?
Yet to come. Meanwhile, we are told Devendra Fadnavis has reacted, called it unacceptable behavior, called it a breakdown of law and order, and unacceptable behavior is what Devendra Fadnavis has tweeted a short while ago. So clearly at the moment, you've got a situation where the Shiv Sena finds itself clearly on the back foot. This is the kind of